Since people have shown interest in my RetroPie handheld RetroPie setup, I thought I would deconstruct all of this and show you the different parts that I bought and put together. I'll put links to all of these parts in the description below. I will also plan on doing a full tutorial later on in the summer where I go from explaining what the parts are and setting them up. So anyway, you've seen a picture of this. So the controller itself is an iPega. I think it's called an iPega Spider. The link is below. Got it from Amazon, and it's telescopic, so it increases or decreases in size based on the screen size to adjust for different sizes. And as you can see, it like quickly comes off, and turns into a smaller controller, so it can fit mobile phones horizontally or vertically. It's pretty cool. And it's Bluetooth, works Android, iOS, and Raspberry Pi. This is a 3D printed case. The schematics can be found on Thingiverse. I'll link to them below. I did modify it a little bit to add these little lips on the edge so that the iPega grabs onto them on the sides. And of course I put my name in the back, Naz, and a couple of stars. It's a way to save on 3D printing. Anyway, the top does snap into place, but sometimes it comes off. And this is the screen that I got off Amazon. It's a 5-inch screen. It gets power from the Raspberry Pi via the GPIO pins, but it gets its video from this cool little HDMI adapter here, which, I'll take this off. The 3D printed case has some cutouts where the two meet. And the screen itself is this. It's pretty straightforward. The whole thing probably cost me, let's say $35 for the Pi, about $35 for the screen, another $30 for the controller, and about $15 for the case. So almost $100 once you take in shipping into account. And the way it gets power right now is through just an external charger. I'm trying to figure out how to put power into this. It's also missing speakers, but there is some space inside the 3D printed case here. Hoping to get a small speaker, take it out the side, and just connect it to the 3.5 millimeter audio jack. Well, that's it. Pretty straightforward. I will try to do a full-blown tutorial on how to set this up sometime in the future, sometime in the summer. See ya.